Hi K1! I miss you so much, so I'm very excited to be reading a book with you this week. So I want to share a reminder. This week we're learning about shadows, but I have to share something with you all. The shadows book that we have to help us learn, I left them at school and I can't go get them because I don't want to get sick. So we're just gonna read some books that I have at home, and I bet you're gonna enjoy them. You might have seen these in guided reading with your teachers, and it's gonna be fun. We're just gonna practice touching the words when we read. So what are we practicing today when we're reading? Touching the words. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like, and then I hope that you can find a book at home that you can practice touching the words when you read. Okay, let's get started. The title of this book is Under the Sky. Makes me think we're gonna read about the many things we can see under the sky. What are some things you can see under the sky? Trees, flowers, grass, water, animals. Yes, those are all things you can see under the sky. Just like you might notice in our cover. What do you see in the front cover of the book? Trees, a butterfly, and a flower. That's right. Okay, so let's get started and read. Remember, our job as good readers is to notice how we point to the words when we read. Under the sky. Okay. Under the sky, there is a tree. Notice how I touch each word. Under the tree, there is a flower. Under the flower, there is some grass. Okay, let me hold it like this. Under the grass, there is a rock. Notice how my finger moves every time I say a new word. Under the rock, there is some soil. Under the soil, there is a worm. Hello, worm. The end. So I hope you were able to notice how I touch each word when I read. Under the sky. So my finger moves every time I say a word. I would love for you to practice touching to the words when you read. What are some things we saw under the sky in this book? That's right. Great job thinking from the beginning to the end of a story. So we saw a tree. We saw a flower under the tree. Then we saw some grass under the flower. Then we saw a rock under the grass. Then there's soil and there's a worm. Those are things that are under the sky. I hope you have a great time reading, and don't forget, point to the words. See you soon, K1.